Beef croquettes. A main dish from Netherlands. Serves 2. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Melt butter, sauté onions. Step 2. Add flour, making a smooth paste. Step 3. Add broth slowly, stirring until smooth. Step 4. Add salt and pepper. A. Step 5. Add beef, mix thoroughly. Step 6. Refrigerate mixture until completely cool. Step 7. To form croquettes, take mixture and form into small balls. Roll in egg, then crumbs. Repeat until well coated. Deep fry until golden brown. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.